Hello everybody, it is Miss Kanisha out in the garden today with my daughter Pranam. Today she is going to teach you guys how to make incredibly simple origami seed packets for storing or sharing seeds. An origami seed packet, you only need scrap paper, a pair of scissors, some markers or crayons to decorate, as well as to seal the seed packet so none of the seeds fall out. First thing that Pranam's going to do, she's going to start off the scrap piece of paper. This is an old assignment of hers that we're going to use. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the top side of the paper down to the side to make a triangle, because ultimately we are going to want to use a square. Once she's folded her triangle, she's going to cut off the bottom excess paper so that she can make a full square. She is going to fold one bottom corner up and across the paper to the opposite end. She's going to do the same to the other side. And we're starting to see our seed packet come into form. Now, once she gets to this point, there's a few things that you can do to help seal it. So Pranam is going to show you a way to tuck one of the flaps at the top in that you would not necessarily need any sort of other tape for this portion if you just tuck it in and fold it. Awesome. So do you want to open it up and show them?
So it looks like a small envelope.
And it looks like a small envelope. Perfect, and ready to put our seeds in. We're going to decorate it and make it look beautiful, and we're also going to want to label it. So our seed packet is complete. She did such a good job. We've labeled it with the type of seeds as well as the date that